Okay, great. Welcome back. Thank you. We have a special edition here. This was January 8th, 2022, my visit to March Air Force Base, Riverside, California. I was asked to give a lecture on these UAP drones. So while I was there, I started off by looking around. They have a beautiful SR-71. I know, it's every time I see that plane, it's amazing that we built something like that so long ago, because it still looks far in the future. Okay, if I remember correctly, the SR-71, they was conceived about 1960, and then the first flight was December 1964. They built about 32 of them, Lockheed, and that was the famous Kelly Johnson. The plane was finally retired in 1998. So we'll do a quick walk around, we'll look at a few other planes, and we'll go to the lecture. Thank you. Okay, great. They let you walk up to the cockpit here. It's pretty amazing, aircraft like this again. It's fascinating. I can only imagine the pilots, what they go through before, during, and after refueling in the air. It's got some Cobras painted on the side, 20 Cobras on this particular jet. So that's about 20 missions, I would say. Pilot, co-pilot, just phenomenal. Just amazing aircraft. You could look at it all day. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, as expected, they have quite a few planes. You'd be there for several hours trying to see them all. But I did focus on the Phantom here, the F-4 Phantom, the Tomcat, and the B-29 Super Fortress. I believe it's polished aluminum. Awesome, awesome aircraft. Went into use, I believe, 1942. All right, let's go to the lecture. Great, on this B-29 here. I was walking inside the bomber doors. Massive, they're huge inside, and there's two of them on this aircraft. I believe it can carry a maximum of 16,000 pounds. So very impressive for 1942. Really something else. Okay, let's go on. Okay, from here we're going to go straight to the lecture. There was some interactions with the audience. They really enjoyed the review of these UAP drones. So, by the way, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I could use your support here. All right, let's go forward. Only like 1% of my videos or my interpolations are zigzag. When they don't fly straight, when they fly in a curve or in a circle or a U-turn, I call it a zigzag. This is extreme. This is one of a kind. This is one of a kind. This thing's going 1,700 miles an hour up and then it reverses. All my videos are with helicopters. Remember, the helicopters are markers. I wait for a helicopter to come in, I press record. That's how you guarantee the video. If you just leave your camera on, you might accidentally record one drone per hour. But it's a lot easier if you wait for a helicopter. This is very rare. I think what this is a communication. I think they travel using something like wormholes. If you ever see a diagram with wormholes, basically this is the same diagram. So I think it's a communication. This is how we travel. This is how we get from here to there. And we're showing you a demonstration. Do you have any questions at this point? Amazing video, right? You're like, where's this coming from? How are you doing this? Again, I just have a high science background. I put my mind to something, I get it done. And it took 5 years to evolve from here. But it's just getting better and better on these videos. And like I said, with thermal cameras, I'll get you better.
Have you seen any of your drones transiting from the sea to the air? A few come out of the water, a few come off the land. The wetlands are marine already. They land on the wetlands, they land in the water. I have video of the Army and the police chasing them into the water, flying circles. Very upset. You can see these pilots are very upset, flying extremely aggressive over 50 feet off the ocean. And what technology are the helicopter pilots able to see them?
They have flare cameras. Yeah, they have nice flare cameras. So does Edison, so does the fire department. You would think the fire department would have flare cameras for fire. You're saying, why does Edison have flare cameras? Because they fly around and these transformers, they get old after 20 years. When they get old, they melt and they blow up. And before they blow up, they turn red hot. And when you have a flare camera, you can see they're getting hot. And so the Edison choppers.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that review of the lecture. We really appreciate all your support and ask to like, comment, and subscribe. We also want to give a shout out to Inland Empire UFO watchers. They showed up at the lecture and we talked for a bit and checked out their channels. So I will leave a link in the description to their channel and to their Instagram. So go ahead and give them a follow and we will see you guys next time. Thanks.